How to restore accidentally deleted photos in picture gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen or in the apps screen, open up the picture gallery app. Next in here, make sure you go back to the gallery homepage. And then here I'm going to delete some photos. You can see, so if I accidentally delete them. So here is how you can recover or restore them. So from the gallery, you tap on the menu button, then tap on recycle bin. In here, go down the recycle bin and select the photos that you want to restore. So touch and hold. Once you touch and hold, it will go into a selection mode. And then you can select the photos that you want to restore. After that, we go down and tap on the restore button. And that's it. Now tap on the back key to go back to your gallery, and you can see my photos has now been restored back into the picture gallery. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.